Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Beauty in a Minute. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And today I want to talk about another Neutrogena product. And this is part of their Rapid Wrinkle Repair range. And this is the Rapid Wrinkle Repair Anti-Aging Moisturiser with broad spectrum 15. So all of the Rapid Wrinkle Repair products contain Retinol SA. They all have different percentage or intensity of retinol in them. And most of them are low strength retinol. And this one here, it doesn't say what is the percentage of retinol in the product or in the website. So I presume that this is a low strength retinol around the 0.02%. And as usual with the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair, it contains what they call the Retinol SA, and then it has a glucose complex, and then it has hyaluronic acid. And with this one, it's got the addition of the broad spectrum SPF 15. See, my problem is I'm never a big fan of moisturizers or serums or makeup that incorporates SPF in it because it is never enough. You know, to me, SPF 15 is almost like nothing. It really doesn't do anything. To me, if you want to really protect your skin, you should use a minimum of 30 plus. For me personally, I use 50 plus. I use SPF 50 plus both for my face and my hands and my legs. Because to me, anything else is just too weak. And especially for those of us here living in New Zealand or Australia, down under, the sun here is a lot more severe. The burning time here in Australasia is a lot faster. Yeah, the sun here in New Zealand and Australia is just a lot more severe on your skin than any parts of the world. So to me, I just don't see the point of adding the SPF 15 into this product. It just doesn't make any sense. The best way to protect your skin is to your usual serum, moisturizer, and then just put a complete sunscreen product on top of your skin. Always finish your skincare routine with a sunscreen product right at the top to block all that sun rays out, all that UVB and UVA out. This is what it looks. It's a whitish cream. And the texture is, yeah, because of the SPF, it's got a slight waxy texture to it. Yeah, I'm just not a fan of the texture. And the other thing that I don't like is the smell. It's got a really, really strong perfume smell. There are two things I don't like about this product. Number one is the scent. It's very, very strong perfume scent. And number two is the texture of the product. It's just got that very sticky, tacky feeling, and it doesn't seem to dry up. Yeah, no, I'm sorry, Neutrogena. I'm just not a fan of this product. I managed to spread it all out on my hands here, and yeah, it's just got that very, very tacky. It's just not a pleasant feeling, and plus, I just find that I still need to add an SPF 50 on top of this. Yeah, so this is one product that I won't buy again. And the price for this is not cheap. Available from the Chemist Warehouse here in New Zealand is $42 for 29 mils. So this is not a cheap product. For $42 for 29 mils, yeah, I would personally avoid this product. Just get a moisturizer, any moisturizer, and just get a proper SPF 50 sunscreen and put on top of your moisturizer. And just do that every day to protect your skin. Yeah, so this is not the best product by Neutrogena. Sorry, Neutrogena. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And if you have any questions or any products that you'd like me to review, please list them down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.